The 851A is our new flagship integrated amplifier. We've taken a proven, class-leading amplifier in the shape of our 840A and made it even better. The 851A runs our proprietary Class XD amplification, which is designed to eliminate crossover distortion at low signal levels. It combines the fantastic sound and low distortion of Class A with the efficiency and convenience of Class AB, thus giving you the best of both worlds. It also uses a new balanced volume topology, which is controllable in 1 dB steps, giving very fine control and superbly accurate channel balance. We use a huge toroidal transformer to drive the power amplifier stage. We then use a second, totally separate toroidal transformer just to drive the preamp stage, effectively making the 851A a pre and power amp combo in one box. The transformer is the part that provides power to the unit. Most manufacturers prefer to use EI transformers because they are cheaper. However, toroidal transformers sound much better, so we prefer to use them even though they are much more expensive to use. The fact that we use 2 of them gives you an idea of the no-compromise approach that we took when designing the 851A. Additionally, the 851A amplifier uses a clever dual mono amplifier design. This means that we take separate feeds from the massive power amp toroidal transformer and process the left and right channels separately, meaning that the 851A is effectively twin monoblock amplifiers put together in one chassis. This gives superior stereo imaging and sound staging to the competition. The 851A outputs 120 watts of power per channel, which is enough to drive most loudspeakers really well. We also have 2 pairs of speaker outputs, which can be independently switched, perfect if you want to by-wire a pair of speakers, or maybe run a second pair of speakers somewhere else in the house. Finally, the 851A uses our own Cap5 protection circuitry, which means that you can use your amplifier as much as you want, safe in the knowledge that if you do turn it up a bit too loud, the amplifier will detect any problems and either turn itself down or switch itself off before any damage is done to it or your speakers. The 851A has 8 RCA inputs as well as 2 balanced XLR inputs for superior connectivity to all of your music sources. Additionally, the 851A has a fully customizable front panel display. You can rename each of the inputs according to what you have connected, which makes it really easy for everyone to use. Also, we allow for any input to be set for fixed gain. This means that you can use the 851A purely as a power amp on any of its inputs, which is really useful if you want to connect a home cinema receiver and use the 851 to drive the front channels in a home cinema system. All this technology is housed in an acoustically damped full metal chassis. This is important because electrical components are very susceptible to vibrations, so we use a very rigid construction with no flimsy plastic and ensure that all internal components are completely isolated for the best possible performance. For more information or to watch our matching 851C video, head to cambridgeaudio.com.